You don't need to show your face to make money. You just need to stop giving your prompts away for free. Let me show you what I mean. Every day, creators post AI generated content. Ads, posters, viral videos, stunning visuals made with Midjourney, ChatGPT, Runway, Nano Banana. And in every single video, the same thing happens. Someone asks, "What prompt did you use?" And the creator does one of three things. They paste it in the description, they link a Google Doc, or they type it out in the comments for free every single time. Here's the problem, that prompt has value, real value. Someone saw your output and wanted the exact recipe. They were ready to pay for the shortcut and you gave it away. Now multiply that by hundreds of comments, thousands of views, millions of creators doing the same thing. That's an insane amount of value being handed out for nothing. But some creators figured it out. Instead of pasting prompts in descriptions, they say this: "Get this prompt on onpromptads.com." That's it. One sentence. Now their audience goes to on-prompt ads, finds the prompt, pays for it, and the creator earns. No product to build, no course to create, no fulfillment, no customer service. Just upload the prompt, set a price, share the link. The content you already make becomes the marketing. The prompt becomes the product. Let me give you a real example. A faceless creator posts a reel, a cinematic AI generated ad for a fake coffee brand. Beautiful, viral potential, comments flood in, drop the prompt. Old way, prompt in the description, $0 earned. New way, get this prompt on prompt ads, link in bio. Audience clicks, buys the prompt, creator earns. One prompt, uploaded once, sold over and over. That's not a side hustle, that's leverage. And AI creators are perfect for this. You're already creating AI content. You already have prompts that work. You already have an audience asking for them. You're just not monetizing it. Here's what I want you to understand. Your content gets views today and disappears tomorrow. But a prompt you sell, that keeps earning. Views are rented, prompts are owned. So if you're a creator who uses AI to make content, ads, visuals, videos, anything, stop giving your prompts away. Go to onpromptads.com. Register as a creator, upload your prompts, set your price. Next time someone asks for the prompt, you don't paste it in the comments. You say, "Get it on prompt ads." Your audience becomes your customers. Your prompts become your income. That's the shift. And the creators who make it first will build income streams that don't depend on algorithms. Start now.